Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. A couple of days ago, I made a video about this, cleaning this up, and I mentioned there this would be a good item for a hotkey between the shape tool and the smoothing tool. There's no hotkey for the smoothing tool, but shape is F10. So if we just have our pick tool or our zoom key and we hit F10, we get our shape tool, and that allows us to move the shape. But it'd be nice to go straight from there to the smoothing tool with just one keystroke instead of having to go up here. So let's just make one. Let's go to Tools, Options, Customization. And I've already dedicated for 9, the number 9. I don't know what's taking that so long. Let me just, okay. So if you don't know where the smoothing tool is, one, you can start typing smoothing. But if it doesn't come up right away, you can always go to the smoothing tool. This is the way I normally do it. And it's going to come up there. And then we're going to go shortcut key. There's no shortcut. We're going to make it the letter 9. Okay, recall section 9. Section group 9. I've never done that. So let's get rid of that 9. So let's go back to, I don't know why my computer's doing that, but options, customization, and I need to clean I got a lot of files open and been working all day. Anyway, and I'm going to just type in recall. And there's recall section 9. I'm going to hit it. I'm going to go and delete that and say okay. So now I can use it for the hotkey for my smoothing tool. So I'm going to go back to Tools, Options, Customization, and I'm going to type, well, I'm just going to go up to my smoothing tool. It'll click on it, and I'm going to go shortcut keys, and I'm going to say 9. What's cool about it, it's right below the F10 key. And then I'm going to say okay. So now I want the shape tool. I'm going to hit F10. I got the shape tool. I want the smoothing tool. I'm going to just hit the letter 9, and I've got my smoothing tool. That's pretty cool feature I do not like. So I'm going to hit F10, get back to my smoothing tool or my shape tool. I'm going to put this back. Then I'm going to hit the letter 9 or the number 9, and I'm going to, so my jockey now has a hunchback. And if you will notice, see those little bitty node dots? They're really not attached to anything. And I need to warn the guy, hopefully I can get him before he cuts this out. They're just starts of nodes. Just select them and hit delete. There's one right there. They're leftover lines that I might not have completed cutting, but the plasma cutter is going to do that. So I've got the shape tool. I'm going to hit F10. I got the shape tool. Hit the letter 9, which is right. So you can just keep your hand on the keyboard and do this and then go back to shape, do that, go back to 9. You don't even have to look at the keyboard. I think that's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped. And always go up to Object and Save as default. Make sure all these are checked, and that way that will remain in there till you lose that version of Corel or have to do an F8. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.